Hello, I'm Jitender Kukar, Public Services Director for City of College Park. Department of Public Services manages animal control, code enforcement, licensing and permits, parking enforcement, and public safety. We greatly enjoy providing our services to the community, but many don't fully understand what we do and how we can assist you. We are excited to present you with a video series focusing on different aspects of the Public Services Department. Enjoy this video and come back to learn more.
Hello, my name is Lisa Leonetta. I'm a code enforcement supervisor with the City of College Park. May is Building Safety Month, and College Park wants to do its part in raising awareness about the importance of building safety and the importance of the annual house inspection.
The Code Enforcement Division oversees building and construction permits, occupancy permits, city code violations, noise and litter control, fire safety inspections, and of course, housing inspections. We enforce all city codes pertaining to property maintenance and ensure compliance with city codes through the annual rental inspection program.
You can follow Jermaine to see what a typical house inspection looks like.
Code enforcement officers are certified professionals authorized to conduct annual inspections to determine the condition of rental properties, including apartments, hotels, motels, single-family dwellings, rooming houses, fraternities, and sororities located within the city to safeguard the health and safety of the occupants and the general public. Housing inspections are scheduled and conducted usually in response to complaints of property maintenance violations or when mandatory inspections are required by the city code, such as annual inspections of rental properties.
I'm Officer Cottrell with the City of College Park Code Enforcement Division. On residential annual inspections, the main thing we check for is safety and just basically about the livability. You walk into a room, you scan the room, you look around, we're looking across, and we're scanning the bottom of the room. So as we're looking around the property, we're looking for anything that could be potentially dangerous or hazardous. Tell them to clean this up. This is clearly a tripping hazard. Oftentimes you need to change your air filters. So this is a bedroom. There's your light. So as you look, that window right there, it must always be unobstructed because this is a bedroom that only has one window. This is a smoke alarm, and you just simply press it to test it, and you wait a few seconds, and then it will go off. We always try to check these to make sure that they're sturdy and capable of potential use, because in some of the smaller homes, we have the HVAC system and even sometimes the water heaters are upstairs in the attic. We want to always try to check all doors. You just look inside and then you check for any type of wall damage or any type of holes. This right here above us is an air vent. The tool is very dusty. I'm going to recommend that they get it cleaned. This is a 10-year smoke alarm and carbon monoxide detector. These are always on the outside of bedrooms. Okay, now before I open this window, these blinds are damaged. I'm going to recommend that they get replaced. Window works, has a screen. Fan works just fine. And when we come into these restrooms, we check for several different things. In this case, check for lighting and if the exhaust fan works. And it's working, so it's sufficient. This black stuff that's all in this window, it'll be considered biological growth. So we normally let it run for a few seconds because you want to give it a chance to make sure they have hot running water. always check underneath sinks. Everything is fine under there, and it doesn't look like anything's leaking. And they're good to go. Wash your hands afterwards. Next, we're coming into the kitchen area, which is usually the main focal point in most homes. Cabinet right here is actually damaged. So right here's a dishwasher, but you just want to make sure that everything looks okay. Because in some cases, what you'll have is people will have these and they won't be put in properly. We always check the stove. That one works. Okay.
Code violations observed during the inspection are listed in the Property Maintenance Residential Inspection Report and provided to the property owner, property agent, and tenant. This report serves as the correction order requiring correction of all listed violations within the time specified by the code and advising of the reinspection date for each item.
Here, I'm gonna have to talk to the property owner because he has tape. This room may not be legally used for sleeping. This room does not comply with fire escape requirements. This was put up by Officer Parada. This is where the water heater and the HVAC are. Take a look inside and you'll see, but this is in violation because they have paint and other chemicals and items inside of there that should never be stored inside of there. Because if there's ever a fire, all those will be considered accelerants. This window does not operate properly under ICC codes or by the manufacturer because it doesn't open properly. Because it looks like it's just a hose that they need to move and they need to fix that immediately because if there's a fire, that doesn't pass city codes. So the last part of the inspection is the exterior inspection. You look at the brick, you look at the foundation down low. You look up here, you see the roof line, you see the siding, you see the fascia. You look at these windows on the outside and you just overall look at the side of the property. They have a gutter here that goes to either a sump pump or just a drain line that they've ran. Now that is in violation. And when I asked them what once was here and what was removed, and you can also see right here, there's a section of brush or a pile of brush that's right there. That can't just be sitting in someone's backyard. We're going to have to do another in-person re-inspection, but we'll save that for another time. That's the end of this inspection. We can go to the next house.